What's going on, everybody? It's Rico. I'm back again with a reaction video. Today we're doing Ghetto Chef 4. Now, I know I'm coming in late. I did watch all the Ghetto Chefs. It's like God bless this man to be funny. But I don't really remember Ghetto Chef 4, let alone I don't even know if I watched this one. But guess what? Y'all gonna watch it with me. At least I pray. But yeah, if y'all want to watch this video without me watching it, the link will be in the description below. Subscribe for more videos. But enough rambling. Let's get that on in.
Yo, you can call me Chef Dashy. Wanna learn how to cook, motherfucker, watch me. I ain't talking about the dance, I'm talking about food so good, you gon' need some new pants, That's okay, cause the pants was cheap. But anyway, let me make something good to eat, cause I'm hungry, I know you hungry too. So just pay attention while I make some good ass food. Hey y'all, what's good? And welcome to Cooking with Dashy. Today we're making chicken soup and a fat-free salad. Let's do this shit! We're all about cooking healthy today. We gotta get ready for that.
What? Just a suggestion. Since we're in a new kitchen, why don't we reshoot the intro?
Look, it's about eating healthy today. We gotta get that summer body ready. I purposely gained over 100 pounds just to show you guys how easy it is to lose all the weight just by eating right. Let's get started with this soup.
Easy.
I only work with the freshest ingredients, so that's why I want to make my chicken broth from scratch. Bam! Get it? Because like I'm scratching the box, so it's from scratch. You like that?
What?
Oil in skillet over medium.
Don't you mean heat oil?
Stop fucking my shit. I got this, yo. Like, I pay you to hold the fucking camera. That's all you need to do. Hey, I just how to say this shit in French. I'm trying to sound fucking intellectual in my shit. I got this.
Sorry.
Hey, odds. Oil in skillet over medium. Hey, odds. See, they doing the most
How
right
you
now.
gonna sound
I'm about to
Spanish
take
more
5
than
steps to
French?
cook this shit. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How come this shit ain't cooked yet? These motherfuckers is alive, bitch. Man, fuck making your own broth. That shit take too fucking long. Besides, this just as healthy as that. This shit right here only got 20,000 milligrams of sodium. Man, please look. Bring that shit to the microwave. Bop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just burned about 5 calories doing that right now. I know a chick named Paige. She gained a little weight. I told her ass to stop fucking with milkshakes. She talking about 9. It's the healthy kind. I said stop lying. They ain't no healthy kind. She said, oh yeah, what about Slim Fast? I said, okay, how many do you drink? She's talking about 6. That's why you're big, bitch. Alright, y'all, it's time for that fat-free salad. But first, fellas, go to your chick, be like, yo, bitch, give me some head.
Lettuce.
Shit.
That's from the early Ghetto Chefs.
I'm not, yo, for real? Like, that, take my shit off. Take my camera off. Like, for real. I'm done. Like, for real. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm paying you for this, and you gonna do me like this? I know plenty of people that'll fuck with me. Pause on that, but you gonna just straight up.
Fuck you then, fat fuck.
I gave you weight on purpose. Alright, y'all, let's continue with this salad. Hold on.
He about to call old boy back, right?
Yo, listen, man, I was overreacting. I'll double what I was paying you, man.
So 10?
Yeah, man, I got you on that 10 spot.
You gave me today?
Yeah, I got you today for sure.
Cool. Alright, I'll be right there.
Alright. The fuck? Alright, y'all, as promised, fat-free salad. But you know what? Just lettuce? That's a little boring, y'all. Bam! This is what the fuck I'm talking about.
Didn't you say fat free?
Calm down, bring it down. I just brought him back, so you know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to... yeah, my boy. What does it say right here? Fat-free food. Fat-free food. Fat-free food. I ain't lying. Oh, shit. Tell me that shit don't look bomb. Tell me that. Hold on. No, sorry. 5-second rule, bitch. 5.
in a Adventure Time world, maybe.
Damn, that shit look good as fuck. Oh my god, bitch. Yo, I know what y'all thinking. Yo, Dash, what about the croutons? I thought y'all heard. Nerds, bitch, come on, man. This shit about to be busting right now. Oh my god, bitch. This shit is oh my. Y'all, for real right now? Oh shit, yo, we eat fat free right now, bitch. Bro, this is gotta be the best salad I ever had right here. Yo, you want some?
No, I'm okay. How about Nintendo?
Oh, Nintendo? We can play some Nintendo. I got Mario Kart, all that stuff right now.
No. Nintendo.
Oh, like the 10, like the money? Yo, I can hook you up one of these bracelets though. This shit is hot. Look at this. They're edibles too. I'm telling you, I can hook you up with this. Yo, I only got $2 off. Hold on, what about my fucking camera?
I thought he had a bracelet on the logo.
Who you will, Ghetto Chef?
So 20,000 milligrams of sodium. God, hey. But that was Ghetto Chef 4. Man, made me want to rethink eating noodles. Again, if y'all don't want to watch me watch this video, the original link will be in the description below. Comment below what videos y'all want to watch. Dashi is anyway. I love y'all guys. Thank y'all for tuning in. Seize the moment.